Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change backup location in iTunes. Let's begin. So, did you know guys that there is actually what they call a mysterious location for you to use a backup folder for your iTunes? And yes, we actually have that in place. Not all people know this one, but when you install your iTunes, automatically you actually have this one, right? Like it's installed. You already have a folder here where your iTunes is. And some people would need to have a backup. So say for example, if if this folder is corrupted, or say for example you would need to transfer, you need to hide, or just simply like a backup file just to make sure that it wouldn't be corrupted. Some people are doing that here on the computer. Some people would take the risk on using external drives. So most of the users are actually discouraging the use of external drive because your music files or everything that's purchased or downloaded from iTunes might be corrupted. So where is this backup location for iTunes? All you need to do, guys, is you go to your folder. Yeah, go to C drive, of course. You go to users, okay? You go to, to your user, and then look for the folder that says Apple. For Apple, this is what you will find, Mobile Sync. And for Mobile Sync, this is your backup. So this is how you can change your location for, for iTunes. And then you could, if you would want to change, the file name, you could definitely do that. You could just transfer here. Okay. And if you need further advice, you could always go to support@apple.com. And then, yes, there's a way for you here to get some more information in terms of your backup for your iTunes. So you could do that as well. So there. I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.